Good morning, one and all present here. Welcome to our Regional Mathematics Workshop. I am Monica, Maths teacher in Darshan Academy, Jalandhar. Present a demo lesson, Topic Angles, Class 5th. Before starting our topic, firstly recall some basic geometrical terms. Point, line, line segment, ray, vertex. Today our topic is angles. What is angle? When two rays meet at a common point, then angle is formed. Now, what is this? This is two rays because there is one end point and it extends into another direction. So when these two rays meet at a common end point, then angle is formed. So this is angle. We can represent angle by angle ABC. This is the symbol of angles. We can represent angle by this symbol. Now read angle ABC. The another name of angle is angle CBA. And we can write angle B. These are the name of angles. We can measure angle with degree. Now there are different types of angles. So first is zero angle. Zero angles whose measure is 0 degree. When these two rays meet at a common point, then angle is formed. Now when one ray overlaps the other ray. Now this is angle. When one ray overlaps the other ray, then 0 degree angle is formed. So this is zero angle. Acute angle. Those angles which lies between 0 to 90 degree are called acute angle. This is 0 degree angle. When we move this ray toward this side, then acute angle is formed because this angle lies between 0 to 90 degree. Next is right angle. Now this is your 0 degree angle and this is acute angle, and when we move this towards in the shape of L. Now this is the shape of L. Then 90 degree angle is formed. So this is right angle. And the measure of right angle is 90 degree. Next is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle lies between 90 to 180 degree. Those angles are called obtuse angle. Now this is 0 degree angle, acute angle, this is right angle. This is 90 degree angle. When the angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then obtuse angle is formed. So this is obtuse angle. Straight angle. When the angle is 180 degree, then straight angle is formed. Now these are two rays. This is your acute angle. This is right angle. This is obtuse angle. And when the measure is 180 degree, means straight line, then straight angle is formed. So this is straight angle. Now we are doing an activity. This is angle model. This is another activity. Now this is activity where the angles 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, 180 degree. Now when we move this, now this angle is angle. Now this angle is 45-degree angle. Now move towards in the shape of L. Now this is in the shape of L. This is right angle. Now move towards. So this angle is 135 degree. And when a straight line is formed, now this is a straight line. You can see here. This is a straight line. And this angle is called straight angle. This is one activity. This is second activity. You have to make fan with the help of two paper and two ice cream sticks. Now you have to fold these paper like this. By folding it, the paper like this. Now join these. Paste both these internal side. Now paste it with the help of gum. You have to paste it. Both these paper. After that, you have to paste the sides of these paper like this. And at the end, you have to, now this is your ice cream stick. Now paste ice cream stick on this side, on both of these sides. This way, this is a fan. Okay? Now we can make different angle with the help of this. This is angle model. Now this is 0-degree angle. When this angle move, now this is acute angle. Now move in the shape of L. Now what is this? This is 90-degree angle, which is right angle. Now when we move, this is obtuse angle. And when we get a straight line, this angle is called 180 degree. That is straight angle. Now again another activity. Now we make an angle tester with the help of these two rays. Now pin these rays with the help of drawing pin. You make an angle tester and you can measure different angles with the help of this angle tester. Now this is another activity. We are playing a game. Now here are some cups where acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angles are given. Now you have to identify. Now you have to take one chip from this ball. Okay? Now in this chip, this is 60 degree. Now 60 degree is what angle? This is acute angle. So now we put this chip in the acute. Now second chip. Now take it. What is this? Lies between 90 to 180 degree. So what is? This is obtuse angle. So now put this chip in the obtuse angle. Now next is, now this shape represent, what represent? This represent the acute angle. So now we can put this chip in acute glass. Now this is 110 degree. So 110 degree is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So it is obtuse angle. So put this chip in the obtuse. Now next, whose measure is 180 degree? That angles are called straight angle. So put it in this bowl, in this glass. And the next is, whose measure is 90 degree? Now 90 degree is right angle. So put this chip in the right angle glass. So this is another activity. With the help of clock, we can measure the different types of angle. With the help of this clock, student can identify different angles. Now this is 0-degree angle. When we move, now this is acute angle. And this is right angle. And this is obtuse angle. And this is straight angle. These are the real life examples of angles. Now here you can see that now this angle is right angle and this angle is right angle. Now here acute angle. Now which is acute angle? This angle is called acute angle. Now straight angle. What is straight angle? This angle, this line indicate the straight angle. Now with the help of this plant, we can identify different types of angle. Like, now this is a shape. Now which shape is this? This is a shape of acute angle. Now here you can see that what is obtuse angle. Identify obtuse angle. Now here is obtuse angle. Now in this side, obtuse angle is formed. So these are the activities which are related to the real life. Now there are some real life examples of angles. Now this is example of acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle. This is an activity of geoboard activity where the student make different types of angle. This is a graph paper activity. Activity with yoga. Students make angles and its type with matchstick, toothpin, straw, ice cream. These are the activity made by student. Now this is the worksheet and some of the worksheet is related to real life object where the student identify the angles. Thank you.